Close your eyes for a second. Imagine walking into your favorite place. Maybe it's your bedroom, a beach, or your grandma's kitchen. What do you see, smell, hear, and feel? That's what descriptive writing does. It paints a picture with words, so the reader feels like they're right there with you. Every paragraph starts with a clear topic sentence. This sentence tells your reader what you're describing. For example, my grandmother's kitchen is the warmest and most welcoming place I know. That sentence gives your reader the main idea. Now the rest of the paragraph will describe why. To make your description come alive, use the 5 senses: sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch. Ask yourself, what does it look like? What sounds do you hear? What smells fill the air? How does it feel to the touch? Is there anything to taste? The smell of freshly baked cookies fills the air, and the soft hum of the oven makes the room feel cozy. Instead of saying, "The cookie smelled good," say, "The sweet, buttery smell of chocolate chip cookies made my mouth water." Strong adjectives and vivid verbs help your writing stand out. Put your ideas in a logical order. You could describe from top to bottom, left to right, or inside to outside. Don't just throw in random details. Make it flow like a picture forming in the reader's mind. Wrap up your paragraph with a sentence that reminds the reader of your main feeling or image. Whenever I walk into my grandmother's kitchen, I feel completely at home. Finally, read your paragraph out loud. Does it sound like you're painting a picture? Can you see it in your mind? If not, add more sensory words or rearrange your sentences until it feels real. So remember, great descriptive writing shows, not tells. Use your senses, choose vivid words, and let your reader step right into your world.